Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Sprunki Surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with this, we're going to make the Sprunki character. We're going to make the orange one. Now, I want to start by making the top of the head, so we'll make a sad face. Let's begin by making a sad face like this. Then underneath the fold, let's make a nice happy face. Now for the body, let's just draw a diagonal line here and a diagonal line right here. Now let's make the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and use this little circle template that I have, and I'm going to do half of the eye on top of the fold and half of the eye below the fold. So I'm going to begin by making a sad face, and then a happy face, and then same thing here, leave some space. We're going to make a sad face, and then a nice little happy face. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to make a line across for the eyelid, and then another line across right here on the fold. Or I should say above the fold. Then for the pupils, let's just make a nice big smiley face inside each one. For the mouth, we're just going to make a little smile. Then we're going to make the top of the head. Let's begin with some hair. Let's just make this little zigzag line, kind of like a sideways W. And then a little line here and here for the eyebrows. Right above the fold, I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to kind of curve and come to here. Same thing here, we're just going to go above the fold, kind of curve, and then come to here. I'm going to make a half circle here, and then a half circle here for the headphones. Then I'm going to make a sad face right here, and then another sad face right here for the top. Right here for the antennas, let's make a circle. And then over here, let's make another circle. I'm going to make two lines here, and then I'm going to make two lines here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, when we open this up, we have two halves of our Sprunki character, the top and the bottom. So the first thing we want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. And then I want to bring this line up a little bit, and this line up a little bit. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and the rest of them here for the eyes, and then same thing here, bring these up just like this. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of curve this down and up, and we'll make sure everything's connected here. Next, we're going to curve this in, and we're going to curve this in. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to come right around here and then into here. Now, let's start making some of the different Sprunki characters. So I'm going to start here by making the red Sprunki character. So I'm going to begin by making kind of like a fishbowl shape. And then I'm going to make two lines that come down into here. I'm going to make a little spike here, a little spike here, and then another small spike right in the middle. Then we want to connect right there. Let's make 2 big spikes out here. So I'm going to make 1 big spike here and another big spike over here. Next, we want to make a circle for the eye, and then we'll make another circle for the eye right here. Let's make a line across, and let's make a smiley face for the pupils. 2 curved lines for the eyebrows, and then a line across here for the mouth. Next, over here, let's make the blue one. So I'm going to begin with another circle. And then we'll make 2 lines that come down. Then I'm going to draw another circle right around here. And then we're going to make a little bump on top of the head so it looks like they're wearing a hoodie. Let's make 2 big circles for the eyes. And then we're going to make that line across. And then we're going to make a smiley face inside here for the pupils. 2 little lines for eyebrows. And then a line across for the mouth. Now let's make the yellow Sprunki character right here. So I'm going to begin with actually some little spikes. So I'm going to begin right here by making this little sideways M. Then we're going to curve a circle around. Next, we're going to make a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye. We'll make 2 little curved sad faces for the eyebrows. And then we're going to make 2 big circles in there with a little smile. We're going to make a triangle on each side. We're going to make a circle and a circle. And then 2 lines down for the antennas and 2 lines down. We're going to make a line down here and a line down here. And a curve here. Next, over here, let's make the pink Sprunki character. So, starting here, I'm going to begin by making a circle. I'm going to make a small circle on top for the bow. And I'll make 2 bumps here and 2 bumps here, kind of like butterfly wings. Then I'm going to curve this up and down, and then curve this up and down for the little bunny ears. Let's make our big circles as usual for the eyes. We'll curve here and here. And then big smiley faces for the pupils. Curves for the eyebrows. And a little smiley face here. Then let's go ahead and draw a couple lines down here. Now, over here, let's draw the silver Sprunki character. So, to start off with the silver one, I'm going to begin by making kind of like a fishbowl shape. Then I'm going to make a big oval shape right around here. A little smiley face. And 2 lines that go up. curve here, and then curve here. Circle here, and then circle here. A little sad face here, sad face here. And then a curve and a curve. Little line across, and then 2 lines down for the body. Now the final thing is we just have to finish up a couple things here. So let's just begin by connecting these lines here. And then we're going to connect these lines back here. I'm going to curve this line across. We're going to make another line and then a little curve line up here. And then we're just going to bring these lines down. And we're going to make another little pair of lines right here for like the pupils. And then we're just going to make one more little line right across here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Sprunki Surprise fold. When you have it all folded up, we have our little orange Sprunki character. And when you open it up, we have all of them popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.